Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out this headband. I just found it at our local Walmart and I thought it looked cute. It's called a Bandables Twisty Braids Headband, and I will try to find it online and link it below. And then what it is these little clamps on the headband, and then it has a small little elastic attached to it, and you just pull it over with the hair inside and clamp it to the next one. So before I get started, I'm just going to decide where we want this placed on her head. And then I'm going to make a part and pull all of the hair in front of the headband forward. So before I place the headband on her head, I'm just making sure that all of these little elastics are unhooked. And then I'm just going to place it right over this part line that I made. And then all of this hair that's left in front is what I'm going to be pulling back over the top of the headband. So I'm going to start with this hair just right here in the center. I'm grabbing a small section and I'm just going to twist it back slightly. And then I'm making sure not to get any hair in this little hook right here because I don't think that's going to go well. It's probably going to pull and tangle. So I just have it right over the little combs of the headband, and then I'm going to bring the elastic over the top. And it does seem to hold it pretty tight. I'm impressed with that. Here's what the first side looks like finished. That was actually super quick and easy. I think this will be a good accessory for school mornings. I'm just going to go ahead and finish off this other side. Here's what it looks like when it's all done. I think it's pretty cute, and I feel like it's going to hold her hair pretty well because those elastics are quite tight. If you're going to be using this like to hold your hair back for sports, I would probably leave it just like it is. But to go to school, I don't think she'd want hers quite so flat. She'd probably want it a little more loose, so I'm just going to puff it out a little bit and see how it looks. So here's what it looks like a little more stretched out. And then we were also thinking that this would be cute as a base for a couple different styles, so we're just going to show a few ideas that we had real fast. Now we're going to go ahead and take this out to see how easy or difficult it is to remove. I'm hoping that the hair doesn't get tangled around these little hooks, and I think as long as you're careful in the beginning, it should be easy to take out, but we'll see. So as you can see, for her hair, that just slid right out very easily. If you have more textured hair, I could see that it could be an issue, but for us, it was just fine.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.